guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply textures to stickers on Capcut PC. For instance, there's a sticker that you want it to look more realistic. I hope you understand what I mean by that. Let's see, let's use trying to find one that's pretty cute. Maybe these ones. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And I want to add in textures above that. So I'm just going to add in some plastic textures, some full textures to make it look like it's been printed or whatnot. Then we're going to select everything and we're going to right click and we're going to select create compound clip. And as you can see, now the sticker looks like it's been printed. Here you can, I think, do it with a lot of stickers at once. I'm not quite sure. Let's put one here and then put one here. Okay, maybe put this one in the middle so the green doesn't clash with each other. I don't know. Maybe something like that. Maybe let's add another one. Oh, we can fit another one there. If not, I think you have to either do it one by one or you can do it all together. Let's see. No, you can actually do it all together. Then we can put this on the first track, go to style, and we can add in this cute paper-ish background. Like that. That's basically it, really. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!